Hi, today is an unboxing of the Seiko Presage SSA303J1 by me, watch. This particular model comes with the 4R57 movement, which has the power reserve hands located at the main stem itself. The watch is an all-white dial watch. Nothing spectacular about the packaging, and this is the MSRP. This watch comes with a sub-dial date indicator. Now the display case back on this watch shows you the very nice golden roto of the 4R57. Here are some photos of the watch on my wrist. More details about the review of the watch can be found in the link in the description below.